Hey, what's up everybody? We're Addy and Terry and we want to welcome you to our channel where we bring you cruise and travel vlogs along with some tips, tricks, and some cocktails, because who doesn't love a good cocktail?
Before we get started though, we would love it if you also liked us on Facebook. You'll be able to connect with us there and see more information that we provide about cruising and travel. Today's cruise cocktail though is the Yucatán from the Good Spirits Bar on board the Royal Princess.
So let me give you the backstory of this whole drink. Addy and I back in February were on one of the final Royal Princess cruises for 2020.
Yes.
And we were at the Good Spirits Bar, and the Good Spirits Bar is kind of like their main bar. They even have a television and a YouTube channel specifically geared toward cocktails, and it features this bar.
So cool.
So we were looking through the menu, right? Mm-hmm. The menu was good. There was all types of drinks on there. Mm-hmm. And then Addy comes across this one right here. This is what she saw. Here, let me bring it closer so you can see. She got looking at this drink right here. You see how pretty that looks? Yeah. So she orders it, it comes to the table, and first thing she says is that a pepper in there? Wait a minute, baby, is this gonna be a spicy drink? Is this drink gonna be spicy? Is this, no, I don't know if I can drink this drink. It's gonna be too hot.
I did. I ain't sound that country, but yeah, I did. I did drink it though. I just ordered it because I saw watermelon and tequila and I was sold. So I was like, I'm gonna order it. I did finish it though. I was a big girl. My lips was burning, but I did finish it. I did finish it though.
And you actually want me to make this again, right?
Yes,
now?
It was delicious.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
We're going to make the Yucatán from the Royal Princess Cruise Line drink menu at the Good Spirits Bar. Addy, tell them what the ingredients are.
The ingredients for the Yucatán are 1 Serrano pepper, 3 watermelon cubes, 1.5 ounces of Reposado Tequila, 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, 3/4 ounce of Agave Syrup, and the drink is also garnished with black sea salt.
So now you've got another drink in your arsenal to make to take you to whatever island paradise you want to go to, or at least something for the holidays, or just something to add to your repertoire. And if you've sailed on the Royal Princess, then we want to know. If you had the Yucatán before, let us know in the comments below, or if you've had any of the other drinks at the Good Spirits Bar as well.
Let us know certainly if you make the cocktail at home. Send us a picture or something. And let us know what you think in the comments too. I really do like it despite my burning lips.
So if you like what you saw, be sure to like the video and be sure to subscribe and click the bell to know when we post a new video.
You can also check us out on other social media and find the full recipe on our blog. Links are in the description below.
So we'll see you in the next video.
See ya.